Blockchain distributed ledger technology. Before diving into ledger systems, let us quickly understand general ledger, which is being used since 15th century. It is governed by three accounting principles. First, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Second, debit loss and expenses, credit profit and gain. And third, debit inflow and credit outflow. These principles are inviolable. In conventional ledger systems having intermediary, if Lucy wants to send $10 to Bob, she sends a request to her bank. Bank checks authenticity and balance of Lucy's account and then accepts the transaction for processing. After that, through central intermediary, bank checks credentials of Bob and then transfers fund to Bob. In the process, it charges transaction fees. Finally, bank creates ledger entry with both sides of transactions and fees. Both the parties, that is Lucy and Bob, will get reflection of this central ledger into their ledger. In these transactions, intermediaries have complete control over the transactions. Blockchain distributed ledger technology consists of blockchain, smart contracts, and consensus logic. Ledgers are distributed among users of network. In this particular case, when Lucy transfers funds to Bob, the transaction is broadcasted on the network for validation. The transaction is validated through a consensus mechanism. Different distributed ledger technologies will have different consensus mechanisms. This write-only, timestamp, and immutable record is appended in the blockchain as a new block. This transaction has cryptographic key and reference to previous block, making it a chain of blocks. This block gets registered to the ledger of all the users in the network, so everyone has same copy of the ledger. In last 12 years, blockchain has come long way from public blockchains underpinning Bitcoin and Ethereum to federated or consortium blockchains like R3 and Corda, which are being used by banks, energy, and insurance sectors, to private blockchains, that is multi-chain, etc. In the last 4 years, with the advent of Hyperledger project, which is governed by Linux Foundation, few more iterations of open source distributed ledger technologies are available for corporations to adopt, tune, and deploy.